This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To hibernate your LinkedIn account, you want to go up to the top up here, up to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Then on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on Account Preferences. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down all the way down toward the bottom, and under Account Management, right here you see Hibernate Account. You would click on Hibernate Account. Then this tells you a little bit about hibernating your account. You would click on Hibernate. You would choose a reason why. You could add any type of feedback in this box right here, and then you would click on Next. And on this page, you would re-enter your password, and then you just click on Hibernate Account. I'm not actually going to hibernate my account, but that is how you hibernate your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching.